This is the cards.
Card
I don't
section.
think it's the same stuff.
We found the birthday cards. Oh, look, balloons.
Oh, hey.
They don't have just red ones though. And they'll say happy birthday or have smiley faces on them.
This is aggravating.
Damn.
Why is it so hard to find red balloons?
Dork, nerd, goob, dweeb, geek. Oh, that's
Oh
cute.
yeah, that's so nice. Give somebody a birthday present and insult them.
Yeah, really. We could get like. No, we can't. Never mind. That's dumb. Okay. We fail.
This is way more difficult than it should be. Let's check Rite Aid.
Yeah. Oh, look, pads. Feminine needs.
See? On the sign.
Yeah, see? It says feminine needs right there. See?
Way to be tactful.
And school/office supplies directly on the other side.
Because small children just need pads and school supplies.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, totally.
Underwear!
Small children, Mommy, what's that? I don't want to explain that to you. What are you... Shut up.
Listerine.
That stuff tastes horrible.
Condoms.
No, Maddie likes it. She's so weird.
Slim Right. Whatever that's. What is this?
Slim Fast? Oh, that's an egg poacher.
Poacher.
M poacher.
Egg poacher. Poacher. Whatever. I had hiccups really bad right now. And it hurts really bad. So yeah. It sucks.